Here's some industrialization of Britain trivia. Subscribe. Which river powered many of Britain's early factories? Is it A, River Avon, B, River Thames, C, River Wye, or D, River Mersey? The correct answer is B, River Thames. What was the first country to industrialize? Is it A, United States, B, France, C, Great Britain, or D, Germany? The correct answer is C, Great Britain. Who is known for the development of the steam engine in the late 18th century? Is it A, Thomas Edison, B, James Watt, C, Nikola Tesla, or D, Henry Ford? The correct answer is B, James Watt. What device invented by Richard Arkwright revolutionized textile production? Is it A, jacquard loom, B, fly shuttle, C, water frame, or D, spinning jenny? The correct answer is C, water frame. Which movement sought to improve workers' rights in the 19th century? Is it A, capitalist movement, B, socialist party, C, women's suffrage, or D, labor movement? The correct answer is D, labor movement. What is the name of the shift from rural to urban living during this period? Is it A, suburban development, B, rural exodus, C, urbanization, urban sprawl? The correct answer is C, urbanization. In which century did the Industrial Revolution primarily occur in Britain? Is it A, 20th century, B, 16th century, C, 18th century, or D, 17th century? The correct answer is C, 18th century. Which legal act limited child labor in factories in 1833? Is it A, Labor Standards Act, B, Employment Age Act, C, Child Welfare Act, or D, Factory Act? The correct answer is D, Factory Act. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.